An autonomous spaceport drone ship is an ocean-going vessel derived from a deck barge, outfitted with station-keeping engines and a large landing platform, and is controlled by an autonomous robot. Construction of such ships was commissioned by aerospace company SpaceX to allow for recovery of rocket first stages at sea for missions which do not carry enough fuel to return to the launch site after boosting spacecraft onto an orbital or transplanetary trajectory. SpaceX has 2 operational drone ships and has a third under construction as of early 2018. Just read the instructions. Operated in the Pacific for launches from Vandenberg. Of course I Still Love You operates in the Atlantic for launches from Cape Canaveral. A shortfall of gravitas is under construction. As of 17 February 2020, 38 Falcon 9 flights have attempted to land on a drone ship, with 30 of them succeeding. The ASDS ships are a key early operational component in the SpaceX objective to significantly lower the price of space launch services through full and rapid reusability, and were developed as part of the multi-year reusable rocket development program SpaceX undertook to engineer the technology. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.